In front of me is Poco F4 GT, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select passwords and security, and here you will notice fingerprint unlock. So before you add your fingerprint, you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code, or the password. Let me choose pin code. You just have to remember that your lock screen password cannot be forgot, because if you forget it, you will have to erase all data on your device. Just click on Get It to confirm that you are aware. Then just provide the pin code twice, obviously to confirm, and then provide your fingerprint. The fingerprint sensor is right here, so just grab your phone and add fingerprint smoothly by tapping on fingerprint sensor, which is also your power button. Just few more taps. And that's it. As you can see, you can rename your fingerprint here. So if you'd like to enter here your name or nickname, just provide it. Tap on confirmation mark, done, and that's it. As you can see, from now on, you will be able to unlock your phone either with this backup pin code or smoothly by tapping with your fingerprint on the sensor. And that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.